Okay, Highroads Travelers, we are traveling to the best places in the world, and sometimes you don't have to go very far. We're in Camden, New Jersey, at La Ingrata Mexican restaurant. We're here with Carla, and Ernesto, Papa. Okay, what's it feel like to be part of the community here?
We feel really good by being able to help and give back to the community that is giving us so much.
And today you're feeding 75 Catholic missionaries from Philadelphia. That is amazing.
Yeah, we feel really good.
What are you making for everyone today, Ernesto?
Today we're doing tacos pastor, tacos carnitas, tacos de pollo, little vegetable tacos, and agua fresca de piña.
Now, I have it on good authority that you got the recipe from Papa Ernesto. Is that right?
Absolutely. We got a lot from Papa Ernesto.
Okay, folks, we're here at La Ingrata restaurant, Mexican restaurant in Camden, and let's see how everything was. Hey, gang, how are the taquitos? In Camden, New Jersey, we're at La Ingrata.
Gracias.